Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. In this video, I would like to unbox a kit that I purchased from an American seller, Amy, Crystal Canvas Art Designs.
What's peculiar about the store is that it offers only crystalline kits, both full and partial. There are also journals, keychains, LED lamps, and other things. I was more interested in full drill acrylic crystal rhinestone canvases. The designs that I wanted were out of stock, but a week ago I decided to order one and see how it looks. Not the one that was on my list, but it is also cute. And now when I'm looking at it, since it is out of stock, I'm really very happy that I purchased it. I actually read a lot of positive reviews about this very seller. By the way, Amy also has her own group on Facebook where she shares the images of completed diamond paintings, and you can decide for yourself whether you like it or not, or whether you want to order it or not. I will leave all the links in the description box below. Now, let's go back to unboxing.
The kit arrived just like this. You see the shipping label on the left. And it was ordered on January the 3rd. It was shipped the next day, and I received it 10 days later on January the 13th. Now let's unpackage it and see how it looks inside. That's how it looks inside. That's how it's packaged. On the back of the box, there is also the image of the design that I ordered. And that's how it was packaged. Unfortunately, it is wrinkled, so it was not carefully put in the box. So hopefully it's not gonna affect the kit. As far as I see, it is a poured glue, so I shouldn't have any problems with the design being wrinkled. That's how it came, with the drills and a standard set of tools. Now let's look at the canvas closer, and after that I will show you the drills. So this is a full drill crystalline diamond painting. The background is also diamond painted. Oh my god, there are 30 colors. They are all crystalline. The size of the diamond painting is 30 by 50 centimeters. Hopefully I will be able to find the frame for it. And on the top you can see the name of the company with the website crystalcanvas.us. I will leave the link in the description box below. So the symbols clarity is great. The majority are either alphabetic or numeric symbols, which is really very easy to recognize. I like it. Yes, as to the canvas itself, it is a more regular oilcloth or paper canvas. The standard one is to it's very sticky. The glue, it is poured glue. It is pretty sticky. So that's how it looks. I really like it. There are a few more designs that I'm planning to order, but I want to make sure that I like this company, that it will come out detailed, that the drills are of a good quality. Most likely this will go away as a gift to a local church. Now, a set of tools, just a standard set of tools, a tray, but I don't like a tray like this. I prefer these ones. I find them more comfortable, although I know people who whose preference is this one, the same shape, because it's not as deep as, for instance, this one. Now, the tweezers and the stylus, and of course the wax. Those crystals are so well packaged that I don't even want to open them up. What I noticed right away is that they are all already sorted out in individual Ziploc bags. I love when companies do that because it's a huge time saver. It takes me almost the whole evening to organize the drills for my next project. So I really appreciate when the companies do it for me because I hate organizing process. This is the only part in diamond painting that I can't stand, preparing for the next project. It's called knitting up or something like this, right? So, but in any case, I'm going to open it and we are going to see each color individually. So these are the drills. I love them. What a variety of colors. A rainbow. So as to these clear crystals, as far as I understand, they go on the background. There are a lot of them. And let's look at other colors that are gonna be applied on the cross. I just hope that the crystals are of a good quality, because you know there are different types of crystals, and recently I was not very lucky with the crystal qualities, when it comes to crystalline kits from AliExpress. By the way, look at this one. I wouldn't say the black one. I wouldn't say that it is resin. No, it is also crystals. But these crystals are more opaque than others. But these are not resin. Resin would look differently. They would have a metallic bottom. Look at them, just all the colors of the rainbow. Blue, pink, beautiful yellow, purple, different types of shade. I mean, different shades of purple. I was trying for so long to purchase just regular purple or lilac color, and I failed on AliExpress whenever I ordered crystallines. I use them in the windows sometimes, and I hope I will have enough left in this from this kit so that I could implement them somewhere else. Nice colors. This beautiful purple color, red, amazing. Orange, blue, light blue. Looks like brown. I didn't see much of brown in there. Oh well. Nice. Really love it. Can't wait when I complete it and see it finished and show you finished. That's how it looks. Amazing, beautiful kit. I love the design. Now, I just wanted to let you know that I had a change of plans when it comes to my current process. I promised you to work on Thomas King Kit's Cobblestone Bridge kit, but when I tried to prepare for it, there were just too many colors, 33 colors, and the quantity, quantity-wise, it was also a lot, and I decided that I needed something, something simple, with lots of color blocking, with few colors, and I decided to get a break in between, large kits, and started working on this project, Tropical Sunset from Diamond Dots. I just started, didn't do much, only some drills on the bottom. That's how it looks. But unfortunately, if you're waiting for Cobblestone Bridge, once I complete this one, I'm going to work on Crystal Canvas art design, because I really want to see how it's gonna turn out. I paid $24 for this kit. They're not cheap, but at the same time they're not expensive. But still, those of you who, debating on whether to buy or not, see the result. If you're gonna like it, I'm going to share my honest opinion about the quality of the kits, about the quality of the drills, of everything. Whether I'll enjoy diamond painting it, whether I had any issues, whether I like the result, if it looks pixelated or not, and you will decide for yourself whether to purchase this kit or not. I saw many completed designs, and what I saw was of a really good quality. So hopefully I will complete a Tropical Sunset in a week, hopefully, and then I can start diamond painting this one. This one should come I should finish this one fast because a lot of background is diamond painted the same color. This is it for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.